In today's video, I'm going to teach you Temu Cash on delivery problem, how to fix code in 25. If cash on delivery is missing or keeps getting declined on Temu, don't worry. COD depends on your address, courier availability, order risk checks, and your selected payment method. I'll walk you through what to check and how to get it working again, step by step, with clear tips so you can place your order smoothly. Start by verifying your address. Open the app, go to your account profile, and review your address book. Make sure your default address is complete and correctly formatted, including house or apartment number, street, city, province or state, and postal code. Small typos or missing apartment details can block certain delivery options, including COD. If you recently moved, add the new address and set it as default. COD may only be supported in selected areas, so if you have another verified address nearby, like your workplace or a family address, try switching to that to see if COD appears at checkout. If COD still isn't offered, use a different payment method for now. Sometimes COD is temporarily disabled for new accounts, high-value carts, or certain product categories. Paying with a card, a debit account, or a trusted digital wallet can push the order through, and COD often becomes available on future purchases after the account builds a bit of history. Keep your cart simple, avoid mixing restricted items, and stay under any common risk thresholds by splitting orders if needed. You can always switch back to COD later when it shows up again. Next, check your account balance. If you're using a wallet, prepaid card, or a bank card, make sure you have enough funds and that your daily limit covers the total, including shipping and taxes. Some banks decline unfamiliar merchant charges, so enabling online or international payments can help. If you plan to stick with COD when it becomes available, confirm you'll have the exact cash amount ready when the courier arrives, as some couriers don't carry change. If nothing works, contact customer support through the in-app help center or chat. Clearly describe the issue, share the address you're trying to use, the error message you see, and the items in your cart. Ask whether COD is supported for your exact postal code and whether there are any temporary restrictions on your account. Support can confirm eligibility, suggest eligible delivery partners, or manually escalate the request. They may also advise simple fixes like reselecting your address at checkout or trying again after a short interval. Follow these steps and you should be able to resolve most COD issues and complete your Temu order with confidence.